We're going to capture a screen grab of where you live. So here we go. I'm going to go to Google Maps, and in Google Maps I'm going to type in my address at the top so you all know where I live. Okay, you do need to actually use your address, but luckily no one else will see this file. So now here you are. I'm at 57 Wira Close. That's my house. I could do with a bit of a yard tidy up. Here we go. So we need to put the satellite on. We need an aerial photo and we need to zoom in. So I'm going to zoom in using the tab over here, and we need the 8 houses near me. So I'm just going to keep those around Park Street and Wira Close. I might just go out a little bit. There we go. So now I'm going to take a screen grab of where I live. I have a snipping tool, which is very nice. I don't know if anyone else has this snipping tool. It allows me just to select a small area. The alternative is to use print screen. So on my keyboard, I'm hitting Control, and then up the top, F10 has a little PRTSC for print screen, a shortcut. So I'm going to go Control Print Screen. I'm going to drop over to Word or Google Doc, either way, and I'm going to Control V to paste in my screen grab from the earlier one. Now in here, I want to select it, and then I want to be able to edit it. So I want to go and crop this picture. If I go home, select the picture. I'm looking, sorry, a little bit distracted because my tools are on top of my drawing tools on top of my Word things, and I don't know how to move them. There we go. Okay, let's bring them down there. So format my picture. I want to crop because I don't want all of that extra stuff around the edge, and I just want my 6 houses or 8 houses. You don't need this information across here, and I'll just bring down the top. So I'm formatting, and at the end, if I say crop, I now am left with just the information from my house. So then you can use this document to annotate or do the things in the activity. Okay.